Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Fikret. This video course is designed for those folks who are looking to get started with Apache Spark and Databricks. Let's talk about missing values. Missing values is another common data irregularity type where you would see empty values either in one or more columns. Sometimes you may see an entire row having empty values. So when you are ingesting into your lakehouse, it's desirable to clean up this missing values rows. Just like with the duplication, there are different ways of achieving that. So let me just read my data set. You will find another data file called sales data corrupted among the files supplied for this course. And if I display the data from this data source, you will notice that I have rows where either some columns are empty, so in this case client, or there are some rows where all the columns are pretty much empty. So these are, of course, different types of problems. So let's see how we can handle this kind of missing values. To handle missing values, you can apply an NA method on top of your data frame. And then there are different ways of applying NA. So you can use drop function or drop method on top of that, which will ensure that problematic rows are skipped in your target data frame. There are different ways of applying this drop command as well. So in the first example, which is in command 104, I am telling drop the rows where all the columns have missing values. So basically this will remove rows like this. So if I run this, you will see that the rows with all columns missing are gone. You can also be more specific in terms of which columns you care about in terms of missing value. So in this case, I am telling drop rows where this particular columns have missing values. So let's see the output data sets. So you can see that now I don't have any rows where product name and client names are empty. So to recap, we have explored a couple of ways to drop problematic rows altogether. But when you are handling missing values, dropping is not only solution. So sometimes you want to replace these missing values with something that makes more sense. So in command 106, I'm using an NA object. However, I'm using fill method instead of drop to tell which column to replace with what. So basically this command tells replace anywhere product columns which have missing values with unknown values. You can specify more than one columns like that as part of dictionary. So in this case, I am telling replace all the null values in sales amount column with zeros. So let's take a look at the results. So here you can see how this replacement works.